So when we looked at inkjet, the strengths with inkjet were the ability to manage sort of this, what we saw was going to be a contracting of the price per image, and the ability that we were going to need to be able to respond to that and quickly get to market, but also take into consideration the pricing pressures that were in the marketplace. Quality was a huge issue for us, and it continues to be a dialogue that we talk a lot about with our customers and our publishers, and that's, that we needed offset or litho replaceable quality. And I think initially that was a huge concern. I think that's become less of a concern as the suppliers have continued to really improve and work on their equipment. We've had a lot of advances in substrates. We've had a lot of advances in ink as well. So ease of installation was something else that we were very interested in. As a commercial printer with a long history in offset, I think this was fantastic for us to have an opportunity to get into a marketplace where we could go through the vetting process, decide what kind of equipment we wanted, and get it on the floor in a quick manner and get it producing. Increased throughput continues to be something that we push for. Workflow automation is a giant opportunity for us. 45 mat substrate. The 45 mat was critical. When we first stepped into this, we were printing on 50-pound offset, but the pressure was clearly from the publishers, especially on the educational side. We need to be able to print on 45-pound mat, and we've worked hard to get to that point, along with a lot of the mills that are supplying us, and feel very good about where we're at on the substrate perspective. Now, flexibility is also important. These presses are able to print very lightweight to heavyweight. We, in our particular facility, will run 45-pound mat. We also print a lot of election ballots, and those are on 110-pound and 90-pound covers. So tremendous differences in substrate flexibility, and that helps us from a general commercial perspective.